Hello, this is Jerry Rocco from TextLeaders.com. We're going to be going through an intro to mobile marketing. How does it work? Who can use it? And who is using iZigg right now? Let's get started right away. This is how it works. You just type in 90210. This is where someone would normally type in a 10-digit phone number, except it's 5 digits, 90210. Then the message is where you type your keyword. Now we can select whatever keyword we want, and if somebody's using it, we can't use it. And once we're using it, someone else cannot use it. We can interchange keywords whenever we'd like, and it kind of works like a .com. As soon as it's gone, it's gone. So when someone hits send with that keyword sent to 90210, it automatically adds them to a group. And this starts up your iZigg system. The person is added to the group, an SMS message is sent, and that can include just text with an alert, a coupon, but it can also include a mobile-friendly landing page or a link over to a YouTube video. So this person, of which 95% get this text message, can now watch your video or view some pictures online. Now, this is how groups are made, databases are built, and a person can build as many groups in this database as they'd like. And the more they promote it, the bigger that database grows. And then when it's time to send messages, it's game time. They log into their computer or their mobile phone, they just select a group, press send, and it goes out to that entire group. It could also, again, include that mobile-friendly landing page or YouTube video, and iZigg will even push out a message to the Facebook and Twitter. And really the rules of promotion have changed, and this is why, because email marketing just doesn't work anymore. It takes an average of 3 days to get one open. Only 5 to 15% are getting through. Direct mail is even worse, less than a 1% response rate. It takes at least 3 weeks to get the message to your audience, and text message is almost instantaneous with a response rate that is just through the roof when compared to the others. So really, this is why this is the future. The people who need it are individuals. We look at personal branding professionals across America, 300 million plus. We got real estate agents, insurance brokers, network marketers. Everybody's doing this U Inc. business model because people buy from people. They don't like to buy from faceless corporations. So everyone's doing personal branding. This is a perfect tool to create your own little micro content channel. You have businesses. Over 30 million across the states, across America right now, make up over 60% of the gross national product. The local businesses, they're experiencing a massive change. The traditional marketing model is broken. It's just they're really willing to listen right now, and they're very easily accessible because most of them are working in their business right now. Then we have groups and organizations like schools, churches, anyone that needs to bring together groups of people to organize an event, constituents, congregations, whatever it might be, in order to communicate with them. Nothing is more certain and quicker than text marketing. So this is how it works. Basically there's personalize, promote, and play. The personalized step with iZigg is really just to secure your keyword, type in your desired response. That way people get what they've opted in for. Now, as soon as somebody types in your keyword, they can get your M card back with whatever text you'd like to have in here. You got 160 characters to make it happen. We do offer the ability to create mobile business cards with your logo up top and your picture and your Facebook, your Twitter, your blog, and other personal branding things. Next step is to promote. This is where you just promote it anywhere you put a call to action. So anywhere you put a toll-free number or your website, in-store signage, websites, Facebooks, train your staff to talk about it, table tents, banners, billboards, blogs, really any kind of print media, direct mail, next to any of your points of sale. It could be a car magnet. Anywhere that gets exposure, text this to 90210 to get that. Or a raffle, whatever it might be. Then the final step is to play. Once you have these lists built, you promoted it, now you can do instant promotion, send out reminders for appointments, text a raffle, build different lists inside of lists, create ad tracking, send coupons, monetize the entire thing for profitability. There's just so much you can do with this. Any reason that you can think of that you send an email, you can do now, faster, cheaper, and more effective with text. We look at a few examples in the marketplace. We have NBA Slam Dunk All-Star Cedric Ceballos. He just puts it out on his Facebook. He puts it on his print media. Text said C to 90210 for a chance to win Laker tickets. Examples like John Sally raffling off an autographed basketball by texting Sally to 90210. Or Rodney Pete, text Rodney Pete to 90210 to win an autographed football. This is how they build their list, their brand equity. You can put it on billboards. Test which billboards on which highways are doing better than others. Collect information. Entire cities like the city of East Peoria, Illinois here, they use it for boil water alerts, they use it for school closures, when to vote, even raffle off tickets for the Civic Center. Another city here is El Dorado Hills, California. We got Osiris Shoes here using it in their magazine advertisements. Text Osiris MMA to 90210, and they can get specials, and they actually extract the readership out of their magazines now. Large events like Toyota Park here, they can have people text in for specific events and then communicate with them about that event at a later date. The UFO Locos, you can see up here on the Blu-ray screen, the Jumbotron, to collect the database of the people that are actually in the stands right now watching for that particular event. Any kind of time that you do any kind of events where you're doing trade shows or whatnot, you can have raffles. We have an example here. Malchers this is a skate company here locally in San Diego. They get a 42% opt-in from their audience to win skate decks. 42% of their audience opting in with their mobile number. That's incredible. Little bands like Soulcast or large bands text Soulcast to 90210, so every time they play a different venue, they can collect the audience from each venue and target, when they come back, they can actually target people, geo-target people to each location when they come back to specific cities. Nightclubs, you got all these eyeballs in the nightclub. Why not text Life to 90210 for a chance to win a free VIP table or whatever offer? Any kind of car dealerships, they can be tracking every single car ad they ever place. They can create their own channels. They can put it on their billboards like we've seen earlier. Doctors, one of their biggest lost costs is missed appointments. If they could send a text a week, a day, an hour before each appointment, it would result in a lot less missed appointments. Really a no-brainer for doctors. Restaurants, we have McDonald's even offsetting their lunch hour because it's so targeted. Instead of being busy from 12 to 1, now they can send out coupons from 2 to 3. Look at small restaurants like Senior Grubby's or one of our first customers, Pickles Deli here. They just put small signage around their store, put it in their TV commercials. They collect the database of the people that know, like, trust them and been there before, the ones that are most likely to come back and buy again. Some other examples, coffee shops, discounts for Mexican or maybe happy hour specials. Put it on the websites like we've seen in another example, but here's text paintball to 90210 now. Their entire website revolves around collecting data. We have other ad agencies like print media, like DPI Print here, that uses us to add another call to action to all of their print media that they're doing. They use this for another profit center. Harley Davidson of Sacramento is now using us. Harley is really a community, so for them to be able to communicate with their riders when they have maybe music in the summer or when they go on a special ride, they can organize their riders and let them know what's going on and where much more effectively than they ever could before. Hooters across the nation, we've got several different Hooters using us to create mobile VIP lists and communicate with the people that like to come in and eat their food. And then real estate agents just across the board here, across the nation, just text open house to 90210 if you'd like to see an example of exactly how this works. They can send out a video, has a mobile tour. They can send out information to those people and also get an alert when those people are right outside their homes. Extremely powerful tool. I don't want to spend too much time on it. Those are some examples of how it's being used in the marketplace. Hopefully you got a good understanding from this video.